Hey everyone, and before we start, I just want to mention something. The audio you are hearing right now is being recorded with OBSBOT Vox CE wireless microphone. And the video you are watching right now is being filmed with OBSBOT Tiny Lite. So through this video, you are already seeing and hearing how both of them actually perform in real use. And today I am checking out a full creator setup. The OBSBOT Tiny Lite webcam together with Vox CE wireless microphone for streamers, creators, meetings, tutorials, or anyone who wants the better quality content. This combo is seriously interesting. Then let's start the video. Now, before getting into details, let's take a quick look at the boxes. Starting with the Tiny Lite webcam and then moving on to the Vox CE microphone. So this is basically the full setup we're working with today. Let's start with the microphone first. Inside the box, you get the microphone itself along with the magnetic accessories, clip options, and everything you need for different setups. One thing I really like here is how lightweight it is. It's only around 9 grams, so once you wear it, you almost don't feel it. You also get multiple ways to use it, like magnetic attachments or clip-on. So depending on your setup, you can choose what works best. The build quality feels solid, and overall it feels well made. Now, moving on to Tiny Lite. Inside the box, you get the webcam itself along with the mounting system and necessary cables. The design is compact and clean, so it fits easily into any desk setup. But the real difference here is the motorized system. This isn't a fixed webcam, it can actually move, pan, and delete. So right away, you can tell this is built for more advanced use. Setting it up is really simple. You just plug it into your computer and it's ready to go. Now connect the microphone. Pairing is quick and once it's connected, it works instantly with Tiny Lite. After the first setup, it reconnects automatically. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The Tiny Lite comes with AI Tracking 2.0. When I move around, stand up, or change position, the camera automatically follows me, and the movement is smooth, not robotic. For creators, this is a huge advantage. It also supports voice-based tracking, so the camera can respond more intelligently depending on your position. This makes the whole system feel much smarter than a normal webcam. In terms of image quality, this uses 1 to 2 inch sensor, which gives better detail and better low light performance. It supports 4K at 30 FPS and also 1080p at higher frame rates. So whether you want sharp video or smoother motion, you have both options. Now, going back to the microphone, this records in 48K HS 24-bit, so the audio sounds clean and more professional. It also has max CPL of 123 decibel, so even louder voices don't distort easily. And since it's omnidirectional, it captures voice naturally without needing perfect positioning. You also get adjustable noise reduction levels. So you can control background noise depending on your environment. Battery life is also strong, up to around 20 hours, which is great for longer seasons. Using both together, this feels like a complete creator setup. You get smart camera tracking, clean wireless audio, and simple workflow. For streamers, YouTubers, or online creators, this kind of setup makes a big difference. So overall, if you are looking for a simple but powerful setup, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.